Alright, bit of a follow-up from the video I did the other day, just before Christmas, about APRA releasing the 30% cap on interest-only loans. Even though they'll still be keeping an eye on it in the future, as they've said. But the question's been asked of me is this mean that the market's going to start going back up again, are investors going to start buying again, and so on? Short answer is, who knows? But the right answer is yes and no in some respects. I mean, the Sydney market was due for a levelling off and correction, regardless of what APRA and the now Royal Commission has been doing and is still doing. But in the market in general, in Sydney especially, we are starting to see a resurgence or a levelling off from especially developers who've got completed stock. They're starting to come back to the market and they're reacting to the market. So this means that we've probably seen the worst of it. So the worst of the correction has happened, I'd say, and we're now at a point where it's going to be a fairly even market. We'll have, if investors are able to get their finance and they're willing to buy, then it means that now in Sydney you've got your rental returns that will start to improve as a result of prices have come back, and some further lack of stock, of new stock coming onto the rental market. So there'll still be pockets. Sydney's a very large market and very large place, so there'll still be pockets of Sydney that will still have gluts for short periods of time as large developments come onto the market for tenants to be able to take up. But the good news is we're seeing signs of developers coming back, reacting to the market, which means there's opportunity. When there's opportunity, people will start taking advantage of it. And but we're likely to see that last for a little while in Sydney. That being said, Brisbane is still the peak of the major markets because it's well overdue for some growth. We've still got rental returns of over 5%, very easily attainable, and with dual income opportunities you can get over 6%. It'd still stay out of the inner city unit market in Brisbane, but very good opportunities with townhouses as well as house and land. So yeah, any questions, please reach out to us, and any other topics that you'd like us to talk about and share, please let us know. Thanks.